Hey, what's up guys? This is Brian from C10 Lifestyle. Welcome back to the channel again. And before I forget, please click on the link below, like and subscribe, and get ready for some more videos. Alright, so just wanted to do an unboxing. We just ordered a tank from one of our friends. He's a dealer. His name is Justin over at MTM Auto Works. Shout out to him. So we were able to pick up the Accuair Endo the CT tank, a 3-gallon tank, because we didn't have enough air volume for our truck due to the weight and the size of the bags and whatnot. We originally have the Endo CVT, the 5-gallon tank, which in reality is about 4.5 gallons of air, and we just realized that we don't have enough air volume to get the truck up and running more than once. So due to our space constrictions that we have, we decided we were just going to get the 3-gallon tank and add that on to our existing tank. So here we go. Let's see what we got. Almost like Christmas here. So as usual, the Accuair. This is the tank. All the information, cards and whatnot that usually goes. Product registration, I guess we're not going to need that anymore. Our mounting templates and stuff. All of our equipment that we need for our tank. And finally, we have the tank itself. Let's get this thing out here. So here we are. Basically our little baby 3-gallon Endo tank. So we got the power fittings here, little ports we're going to have to patch up on that. And on this side we have our controller, exhaust ports and whatnot. So we're going to have to find a way and a spot for this little guy to go back into the 66.